Hello everyone, I am Saurav Adhikari and today I am here to show you my project Iconify AI. So, if you are like me, you have a lot of side projects, right? If not, you may be a company who just recently released a product but have yet to finalize upon an icon or a logo for that product. You may be a freelancer who is working for someone else to generate icon. You may be a designer. Well, if you are, then this is for you. So what does Iconify AI do? So it augments your creative process. It doesn't replace your creative process, it augments upon it. So what it does is uses AI to generate icon drafts, right? So let us go and look into it. You will understand the product better. First of all, in order to get started, we need to go, I'm going to open a new tab and go to iconify.saurav.com.nb. That's the URL it is currently hosted at. It might change in the future, but right now I'm hosting it in a subdomain. Once you are here, you can look around and you can navigate to About page if you like to. And so if you were to go to home, you will see a Get Started button. Let's get started. If you don't have an account, we can sign up, but I already have an account. A new sign up will be granted 5 credits, and each credit will be deducted whenever a generation process is implemented. For example, if you were to think of ideas for the icons, I'll show you in a while how that will look like. 1 credit will be deducted. If you are to imagine an icon, how it will look like, 1 credit will be deducted. So let's get forward. First of all, I'm gonna log in. I'm logging as an administrator, so I already have an account. So if you don't have, you can go and sign up for it. The user interface might change when you reach the website, because right now it's just an MVP 2. It is in beta, if you prefer to call it like that. So once you are logged in, you navigate to the index page, you can see there's a big button that says generate new icon. So let's click on that. So now we can see we can generate a new icon. So first of all, what we can do is we need a project for which the icon is to be generated. For example, this Iconify AI itself is a project for which icon can be generated, and if you were to look closely, there is an image over here. This image this image was entirely rendered without any external assistance by this software that I'm going to show you. So this is an icon for my project Iconify AI. So let us go and let's see. Okay, cover letter writer AI. This project I'm going to try and generate an icon for. Okay, cover letter writer AI title, cover letter writer AI, and I'm just gonna copy these features and over here add it. I'm going to delete the irrelevant things. Cover letter, writer AI is a web-based application that generates a cover letter for you using AI language, AI large language models. Okay, features, the main feature of this website include the main features of this website include. Okay, so we are going to describe our project like this, and we are going to see how many styles we want. Each style is gonna cost credit, but it doesn't cost, like you can specify 10 style, 5 style, 1 style over here. It will cost you the exact same credit, like number of styles, but once you see those styles and start generating upon it, that's gonna cost 1 credit each. So for now I'm just gonna say, okay, I need 10 styles, right? So you'll understand once you see. So let us wait until it does it work. It is looking up on the title and description, and it will generate us a response. Okay, yeah. So remember when I said specification on like if you go back a page, there's style count, right? This style count determines how many of these description you want. no matter the size of the description, if you want 10 description, if you want 100 description, if you want 1 description, it's gonna be the same. But for better results, I recommend specifying this to 5 or 10. Now if we were to go and look at this description, if you were to open any of this, you will see the reasoning behind why this actual description exists. For example, the AI language model looked at our description of the project and say, okay, so this project represents, this project is about XYZ, hence this icon will be suitable. And the actual reasoning process about why he selected this icon, why the AI selected this icon, is also given over here. For example, this icon, a stylized C letter with an AI chip inside the center, and the pen nib on the top represents the combination of technology and writing involved in the project. I don't like this, let's go to a new one. An abstract AI chip with a pen tip emerging from it on the top of sheet of the paper. I don't like it either. A creative colorful brushstroke and AI chip embedded in the center. Open book with the AI chip in the center. Slightly related romantic arm holding a pen. AI light bulb. Word cloud with various job skill and experience surrounding AI chip in the center. And yeah, these are it. So if I don't like either of these, I can just go back and create a new one. Like it doesn't matter. However, on each creation, 1 credit will be deducted. So let us go and let's see. Let's rewrite it once again, and this time I'll show you how icons can be generated. This is a software product. This is a software product that automatically generates cover letter for your freelance job application. I say okay, let's give it to 10 and let us wait until it completes generating, right? So okay, so as you can see, it has given us few icon recommendation. A folded letter with a brain inside and a pen writing on it. Stylized letter with a queen crossing over it and light bulb inside. Okay, yeah, it might be good. So orange colored. Why was this selected? Because it indicates the combination of traditional writing and innovative technology. Okay, let's use this. And the same thing, but here we have, as you can see, 4 different models, right? So these 4 different models generate different types of icons. For example, a 3D rendered icon, a 2D rendered icon, a flat type of icon, maybe iPhone app looking icon, the ones flat kind of icons, and those kind of icons, right? So in order to use this, what we need to do is select a model, and we can work upon that. So let us see. Let's say I want to use the Franklin model. This generates a 3D isometric kind of icon. For example, the one you see is currently in use of the Iconify AI. This was generated by the Franklin model, this one, and it looks beautiful. You might not get a perfect looking icon on the first try, so you might need to try multiple times. And here we go. It does look good, but let me try once again, right? So let's iterate and upon the Franklin model itself, and this time we will get a new icon. Which is somewhat distinct from it, while still incorporating the idea and reasoning behind the previous icon, right? Okay, I like this one way better, right? So this I can just open it in a new tab and see. Okay, this looks beautiful. Okay, so what we can do is, if you are a designer, you can use this as a reference to create more variation upon it. If you are a company or a freelancer, you can maybe use this and give it to a designer. You can use this directly, right? What you can do is basically select the edges and crop this and make a PNG if you want to. Like it's sorry, sorry, I'm up with the cold. Okay, so and okay, I'm gonna show you a different model as well, right? So I think the possibilities here are endless, but I'm gonna say, okay, I want to see the Newman model, right? Newman model also brings you a 3D looking icon. You can experiment upon different models if you like to. The Newton model tries to bring up an icon that tries to reference upon the already existing icon in the iOS App Store. Oh yeah, this one's good as well, but I like this icon that was generated by the Franklin model better than the Newman model. If you look closely, yeah, this is like blocky type of architecture, which is what Newman model is sliced for. So what we can do is let's try and generate a new Newman model again. So as you can see, we have generated 4 type of icons right now. Upon each icon generation, 1 credit has been deducted, and we have asked the AI to generate the description 2 times. So in total, 6 credit has been deducted from my account. So if you were to sign up as a new user, you will be given 5 credits to play with this software right now. So yeah, I think you can already see the possibility of this actual software and how it can solve the various needs of designers, companies, freelancers, developers, anyone who is looking to generate a new icon. Like, I mean, okay, for now, what I'm gonna do is use this as a icon for my cover letter AI, right? Yeah, this looks perfect, to be honest. This looks too perfect. Thank you. Yeah, if you want to, you can go and check this website at iconify.asaurabh.com.np. I'll be linking that in the description as well. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching.